desperately trying to find the code for the shower.
Now this is real camping.
Spout, you horn?
Now see, stay back. Keep back of the fence, see?
Kept getting woken up by the raucous neighbors. They were a super group of about 7 60-year-old women, but they had the attitudes of like a 23-year-old valley girl. Some of them came from another campsite or something, but they walked up. Now this is real camping. They were up at like 8 o'clock just raving and ranting. Not one of them was able to finish the sentence before another one would talk over them. And every sentence they would say would begin with I. Like, I got a new pair of diamond rings. But yeah, the lake's just over there. Take a little stroll down there before taking off. Bloop. Oh. Wait, what? It's night use only? Lake bottom sludge. Sludge. Yeah, this place is booming though, just on the drive down here. Yeah, it's just like cars parked on the side of the road. I looked over at one of the beaches in Lincoln City, and man, it looked like Malibu Beach, just crowds of people. But this place looks pretty cool. It's fairly beloved. This is trippy. So you can see the Cascade Head. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And then beyond that, I can see Cape Lookout in the distance, just barely. Old Fogarty Rock. People come from all over the world to witness its majesty. And Bertha is thinking about walking out there. She's gonna do it. Now I'm gonna cross Fogarty Creek. Quick jump. No Fogarty. They're professional rock climbers. Wave to the camera. These seagulls are fat. Those pillars up there, the support beams, those are logs. It's a matter of time before that whole foundation comes down. Boiler Bay, PA. Clever gophers, they dug underneath the fence. People out there fishing. You can't fish in Boiler Bay. Everyone knows that. Some guy asked me if I was a GoPro representative. I'm like, no, I'm just an enthusiast, Bob. That little black bird right there, it's illegal to disturb him. It's very easily disturbed. And if it goes to court, you know, he sits up there on the courtroom chair and they ask him, you know, were you disturbed? Did this man disturb you? And he almost always says yes, because he's just a real crotchety little guy. Here it is. Now they're specific. Okay, because it's a refuge. That's fair. It's a wildlife refuge. Can't disturb these birds. They get pissed off. Throws the whole ecosystem off. Everything goes jabberwocky. Of course, with all these rules, everyone breaks them daily. Like that sign says no climbing. People climbing all over the place. I saw some lady chasing a seagull. Like, it's not cool. There's the spokesperson, or the spokesbird.
Now, see, stay back. Keep back of the fence, see?
Is it really that dangerous, sir? Do I really need to keep back of the fence?
Like, yeah, stay back, chump.
Closely, there's magic in those waters. Another spouting horn down there. Can't read the sign though. Spouting horns. The eroding of weaker material or the presence of lava tubes within the coastal rock formation allow the pulse of the sea to be released and thrown skyward in a release of energy. These spectacular displays vary with the power of the waves. Spout, you horn. It is not true. Life is not slain by death. Freeze-dried candy. Weekend is always shorter at the beach. Fish and chips, winery. public restrooms. Ooh, they got breakfast food. The Horn. 1 hour cruises. Dar she blows.
Up in Depoe Bay on the Cascade coast steht schweigend am Strand.
Played a prank on us. We can't get into the shower. Giant group of ladies were hassling me. They were like,
Come have a piece of cake. Come have a piece of cake for your walk.
I'm gonna have to avoid them on the way back. I was evading the cake ladies on the way back, and I was stopped by a man in an SUV who was desperately trying to find the code for the shower. He even gave this big explanation. I'm camping in the sea loop and they didn't give me the shower code. Anyway, I just told him it's one of them that's open, or it magically opened. And funny little joke, just say, hey, there's free showers, but then put a keypad padlock on there. Good afternoon. About ready to pack up and leave. Starting the morning off right. Chili was good. These guys weren't as annoying. I think they were probably tired down from all the insanity of previous day. Salmon River Estuary. You got the Tamara quays. You got Pixie Land. Bufflehead duck. The Western grebe. That's gorgeous. You can see that marine fog coming in from the west off the ocean. This is the river that goes along Highway 18. You come through Otis to get to Lincoln City. Lower Cascade Head Trail. This is gonna be hardcore going uphill. It's all kinds of bad news. No dogs. There's a friggin' Cascade Head naturalist on duty wearing a hat. Better watch out for them. Crossing through the Cascade Head Ranch. Trail travels through a lot of private property apparently. Active slide. Ah, here we go. No hunting, no dogs, no hunting dogs. Yeah, I've seen the Cascade Head in the distance. Yesterday I saw it from the south, Depoe Bay. It's kind of cool to finally be climbing it. Gotta climb all them heads on the coast. It's cute. They loved the head and they built the bridge. Guess that makes sense. If you love a head, you gotta build the bridge. I definitely overdressed. Whew. 2.5 miles uphill. Took off a couple layers, but a lot of people are wearing shorts and t-shirt. Wow. I don't know if I've ever got such a panoramic view of the ocean. It's just mesmerizing. Made it to the top, the green stick. These trees remind me of the twisty trees that are in Gespensterwald in Germany. And there's whole forests of just these twisty branched trees. Memory of Barb. Oh. Absolutely epic sunset from this viewpoint. This is gonna be a crazy walk back. Party grub right there.